Colors are an important factor in our lives. First, today I'm going to talk to you about how colors affect emotions. Second, I'm going to talk to you about how colors affect our products. And third, I'm going to talk about how colors affect our senses. First, colors are seen as, in some aspects, as emotions. A study by Dr. Singh thought that we see light in different colors, which are made up of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. These colors are not just, these colors are what the United States feels are the metrics for colors. However, different countries do not see them all this way. For example, many countries do not have a word for pink. We see different colors with different emotions. For example, right here shows a diagram of the spectrum of emotions that colors have. Red is seen as strong and violent. Orange is seen as distressing. Yellow as cheerful. Green as natural and calm. Blue as comforting. And purple as distinguished. This is by a study by Kaya and Epps. Now that I've told you about how emotions and colors are connected, I'm going to talk to you about how companies use these to manipulate us, basically. In the first 90 seconds of any interaction, we have made an opinion on it. Also, within this, the 62 to 90% of the observations and interactions are based on color. So companies try really hard in like a 90-second commercial to make you feel a certain way, and they need to do this using color. For example, McDonald's uses red and yellow to simulate hunger. And if you've ever walked through a mall, you've noticed that it's white to be calming. This, for example, is energetic and is shown how we are meant to feel a certain way about these products. Now that I've talked to you about how colors affect our everyday lives, I want to talk to you about a rare phenomenon called synesthesia. Synesthesia is a phenomenon where people can sense two senses for one stimulus. For example, in a study by Lawrence Marks, there is a phenomenon called colored hearing, in which someone can literally hear color, and they used this study to show how different levels of volume and density of sound have photism, which is a luminous image defined by Webster's dictionary. I'll show you an example of this. This is an interpretation of the song Vermilion by Slipknot. And it's literally what the person sees when they hear the song, because they both hear it and see it at the same time. In conclusion, I've talked to you about how colors affect emotions, how colors have affected commercialism, and how people experience colors in different ways. So I want to thank you for listening to my speech, and I wanted to remind you to use color carefully.